Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I've decided to make this a small video so that it will be helpful for some of my friends who think of doing some video editing and start some YouTube channels or something. So I felt that it will be helpful for them. So I would like to introduce a small video editing software in the mobile itself, and which is very handy for everybody. Okay, so we should first of all try to download the application. Click on Google Play Store and type Kinemaster there. Kinemaster. Hey, I have already installed the application. Please click open. Okay, so this is the interface before the application is about to be open. Is if you want to start a new video, if you want to edit a new video, what you have to do is you have to click on this plus button. Okay, normally the size is 16:9 for the landscape. For portrait it is 9:16. So I'll go with the 16:9. So this is the interface of the video, of the application when it is open. So first of all, you have to make one basic media layer in this. So you can have many layers in this particular area. So many layers you can have. So if I click on this media button, so the media files that are there in your mobile will be open here. So you can see many of my video and audio, or in fact not audio, video and image files are open here. So I start with the background. So you can see plenty of backgrounds here. So many colorful backgrounds are there, and no pictures are also there. If you don't want these pictures, you can go back and select some other one. I will select one yellow background. Yellow is my favorite color. Okay, so this is the timeline. So if you click on this, you can see this small adjustment here. Many adjustments can be seen here. So the color, if you want, you can change here itself. So if you want, you can change it to green, it becomes green. So once again, I'll go back to yellow itself. So you can see it. You can see it is playing. You can see the timeline. You can see the seconds moving. Yes. So video will end there because that is the size of the video. Once again, if you click here, if you don't want this layer, the size of the layer this much, or length of the layer, you can cut by clicking on the scissors button there. So if you then trim to left to play head, trim to right to play head, you can see like this. So if you want to trim, see this side is trimmed. If you've done a mistake, you can click here in this corner, so it will come back. So if you want this trim right plate, so this side will go. Okay, so if you want to increase the length of this, you can increase it like this. Yes, so you can increase the length of it. Once again, you can play it. See, it goes further. Yes. Okay, so if you want, after this background, okay, I had downloaded some backgrounds. So look at this. Here is a video background. You see after that, from the yellow, so you can see it from the yellow, it moves to the next background. Okay, pause it. And here you can see a transition. You click on the transition, you can see plenty of transitions here. Look at this. You click here like this. You can see it, observe it. Okay, so it goes like that. I don't like this transition. I like some other transition, some classic transition I'll go with. Okay, so here you can see the speed of the transition. I'll go a little bigger. I'll give 7. Okay, so click here. Once again play it. You can see from here slowly the transition happens. Okay, so this is clear, I suppose. So I hope you understand the media, how to add more media in the first timeline. The first timeline is added in media. So the next layer, so you want to add many other things. See, for example, you want to add a text here. You type my name here. Okay, I have typed my name. Click OK here. So it comes here like this. You can increase the size. Once again, if you want to edit, you can click on the keyboard here. Okay. Then once again, if you want to change the font, you can click here. See, different type of fonts are available. See, these are available in the application. In the storage, it is online. It is available. If you click here, it will go to the online. Okay, so I take some Latin. These are available by default. So I go with this font. Okay, you can see my name here. You want to change the color of the name. I have clicked green. See, it has become like this. We want to have the animation. So plenty of animations are also available. Letter by letter I'll type. See, like this it comes. Yes. Next is overall animation. So what do you want to have?
Here is go back.
It is blinking, so I want to go with that overall animation. So out animation, if you want, you can have out animation also. Out animation, side up, it goes. Okay, so now if you want to change some these many options are there. See, I'll give text shadow for it. See, a little shadow, it gets. You want to have more shadow. You want different color shadow. You have even that also. See, it looks good, very good, isn't it? Okay, so now let's see how it plays. Yes, so it goes like that. Okay, so I hope now you have understood how letter is added. After this, if you want to add something, a handwriting. See, if you want, you can add a handwriting here. Okay, look at this. Okay, so different type of handwriting tools are available. Different colors are available. Okay, so even rubber is also eraser is also available. So even the size of the marker or the pen is also available here. So I just I write something here. You can see it. Okay. Once again, see this type of entry. So by spark. So here speed is also available. Okay, so observe now. From here onwards, from the beginning. Yes. nice. And you can reduce the size of it, increase the size. So all those things are possible. Next, so all this, try with all these options. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear. Next is if you want to add any other image or anything regarding that. Okay, I'll add my photo here, one of my images. Okay, so I can increase the size of it. So it is overlapping. So what I do is long press on it, pull a little towards the side. You can see how the video is made. Okay, once again you click on this, when animation is possible. So slide right like this. Okay, so even out animations are given. So it goes right. So like this. So observe it now. You can observe it. That's it. So this other different layers. See, if you want, you can add multiple layers. See, multiple layers of text. So one more text you want to add. See, if you want to add multiple text, so that is also possible. Look at the color. Now you see it. So multiple text. And so anything is possible. So whatever you want to have on this red line, whatever the red line is there, you keep that red line where you want to have the object and click on the layers, multiple layers. So all this event effects, anything is possible. So please try with that. So next you should see how to record. Click on from okay. So this is the audio. Look at, if you want to increase the volume of it, once again click on this. You can see the volume key here. Increase the volume. Auto volume, if you keep you can click on the effects, equalizer. I normally give a bass booster, so you get more volume for it. You can click. Yes, so that's it. So we have still more many of the items here. Okay, so if you want to add audio, any audio sound or mp3 sound you want to add, any music you want to add, so you click on this button, audio. So directly it takes you to the songs that are there, or mp3 music assets. So get from music. So these are the Kinemaster records that I have already made. So now it is songs. So look at this. So these are the songs that are there in my mobile. So see, non-copyright music, audio music, you can see here like this. So you click on add. So it just adds from the place where your red line is. Click here and add. can see that you can hear the music being played there. Okay, everything is played. Okay, I'll close it here. This is the way. This is the thing. Now I will tell you how to produce this. So how to make a video. So here you can see made with the Kinemaster. You can see here. If you click on the delete button, you can see payment option here monthly. So this much amount if you pay, you can avoid this. Yeah, so that's it. Now how to produce this? How to produce? So once again, I have to come back to this interface. Come to the first, listen to watch your all the videos, and the layers are over by this. If you want to say multiple layers, so the layers are over by this. So what I will do is I will cut the remaining part by putting this here. Click on this, so you can see the trim option. Click on this, so the remaining part is cut. See in the music also, so I will cut the music. Okay. Trim, so finish. Up to here. So this much video. Now let's see how to do it. So here you can see. Once again, I have to come back to this interface. You can see the share button here. Click on the share button. So you can see different resolutions and different frame rates. The best frame rate Full HD, 1080p and 30 frame rate per second. So you can click on. So you can see about 27 MB the video, the size of it. Export. Skip. You can see. You will see in the gallery. You can see the video here. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So please support me, the YouTube channel. Please click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the videos that I'm gonna upload in the future. So click on the like button. Please share your comments. Thank you. We shall meet with the next video. Oh, thank you.